Welcome to session number 40. This session is for BSc third semester Basic English, Rani Channamma University, Belagavi. The topic that we are going to discuss today is interpretation of notices, and today we shall discuss introduction for interpretation of notices. Learning objective for this session is students get knowledge of various types of notices posted at different places. Session outcome is to improve the observation skills of students by finding out variety of notices they observe in public places. So first of all, we shall see what is meant by a notice, that is the meaning of a notice. So notice is nothing but an announcement or intimation of something impending. Means a notice is an announcement or an intimation of something which will happen in the near future, that is impending. Or notice may also be a warning. Or notice is an information or warning of something especially for wide attention, that is generally the notice is for the more people, that is for the wide attention. Now what is the purpose of a notice, or what function does a notice perform? So the purpose of a notice is to announce or display information to a specific group of people. Another purpose of a notice is to warn people about or intimate people about something, or to share urgent information. So this is one more purpose. Now types of notices. So first one is warning notice. So this notice is used to warn the public against some person or something. Next one is information notice. So this notice serves to inform the public about something or someone. Education notice. This notice intends to educate the general public, for the education of the general public. Then contents of a notice. So a notice usually has the following information. What means what is the notice about. Where, the venue or location of an event. When means the time and date of the event. Who is the notice addressed to, and whom to contact. So this is the essential information that is contained in almost every notice. Now we shall discuss tips for writing a notice. So let us be precise and to the point while writing a notice. We need to use the language which is very formal, that is the formal language should be used while writing a notice. Then the sentences in the notice should be short and simple words are supposed to be used. Then use of passive voice is recommended for writing notice. Then presentation should be appealing to the eye. Such should be the form and format of a notice. Then we shall see some examples of notices. Beware of dogs. So this is a warning notice. Go slow. This is education notice. Keep silence. This is again education notice. Don't mix drinking and driving. No parking. Township ahead, drive slow. Don't speed here. Accident zone. Follow the lane discipline. No horn please. Silence zone. Beware of pickpocketers. Switch off your mobile phones. Speed thrills but kills. These are the notices. First question, a notice can be an announcement, an intimation, a warning, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. Second question, purpose of a notice can be to share information, to warn somebody, to display information, all of the above. The answer is all of the above. An information notice educates the people, warns the public, informs the public about something? None of the above. The answer is informs the public about something. Next question. What kind of notice is beware of dogs? It is information notice, education notice, warning notice, none of the above. The answer is warning notice. Next question. What kind of notices follow the lane discipline? Information notice, education notice, warning notice, none of the above. The answer is education notice. Thank you.